This is the moment a dark, deadly tornado twists its way across a Russian town and destroys 1,500 homes, upends trees and kills 3 people. The tornado was filmed by frightened locals in the town of Andreapol in the western Russian region of Tver Oblast on August 2. The local authorities said the twister traveled at a speed of around 25 meters per second, 56 miles per hour, destroying all in its wake, before eventually dissipating. The tornado reportedly damaged 1,500 homes and upended over hundreds of trees. Instagram user Gons_G9 shared a video of the tornado twisting across a field and sending debris high into the air. The 30-second video captures the tornado in a field, fortunately passing houses and cars in the foreground. As the video starts to come to an end, heavy rainfall suddenly begins to fall on the nearby properties as the tornado moves away. Before the tornado hit the area, the Ministry of Emergency Situations issued a warning to stay at home as the worst of the weather will arrive in the next 2 or 3 hours. However, the storm hit the area harder than expected and 3 people lost their lives, according to reports. Meteorologist Alexei Safonov warned that similar phenomena will become more frequent during the rest of the summer. Get all the latest news sent to your inbox. Sign up for the free Mirror newsletter. He added, in different regions, rain of varying intensity has been observed. Even the wind was strong everywhere and at certain times there were gusts of 12 to 15 meters per second. Reports said the town is still reeling from the deadly storm, with many social media users commenting that they could never believe such a thing could happen. Even though supercell storms are responsible for the biggest and deadliest twisters, a significant number of tornadoes also form under non-supercell clouds and storms. Non-supercell tornadoes are typically short-lived and weak, but from time to time can become strong enough to damage properties and cause fatal accidents. The Russian tornado also left 8 people injured as well as the 3 dead, and although dissipating, emergency services are now dealing with the clear-up work from the damage caused in its wake.